Today's entire session is about the brush tool. Select it by pressing B. Before you immediately paint, open the brush settings panel. Here, you can change shape dynamics, scattering, and texture. Try increasing size jitter so each stroke feels more organic. Adjust hardness based on the task. Soft brushes blend naturally while harder brushes give crisp edges. Explore flow versus opacity. Flow controls how gradually paint builds up with continuous strokes, while opacity limits the overall strength. Lowering flow creates smooth transitions perfect for retouching and shading. Use the bracket keys to resize brushes quickly while working. Hold Alt, Option on Mac, to temporarily switch to the eyedropper tool, letting you sample colors instantly. If you want realistic